Did you know that 3 out of 4 people will abandon what they see with their own eyes just to fit in with a group? In the 1950s, Solomon Asch discovered something terrifying about human nature. He showed people 2 cards. One had a single line, the other had 3 lines of different lengths. The task was simple: match the line lengths. A child could do it. But here's the twist. Asch filled the room with actors who all gave the same wrong answer. When it was the real participants' turn, something shocking happened. 75% abandoned their own clear vision and chose the obviously wrong line. Asch had uncovered a disturbing truth. Our need to belong is stronger than our trust in reality itself. We will literally question what we see rather than stand alone. Sound familiar? Every time you scroll through social media and find yourself nodding along with opinions that feel wrong, you're living Asch's experiment. Every time groupthink takes over a meeting, Asch's ghost is in the room. The crowd doesn't just influence us, it rewrites our reality.